In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off your Thrustmaster T300. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly turn off your Thrustmaster T300. To turn it off properly, all that you have to do is unplug it. So usually when you use your Thrustmaster wheel, regardless of the model, and including every single model of the T300, you will have it connected into one of the available USB ports on your PC or console. To turn it off, simply unplug the USB cable. The wheel will automatically power off when the USB connection is severed. This can take some seconds, so just give it time. If you see some LEDs are still lit, in time they are going to go away. So once this is done, you will be good to go. Most wheels will not have a dedicated power button, but of course, if your model has a specific designated power button, just make sure that you press it. Most of them will be powered directly through the USB connection, so once it is properly unplugged, you will be good to go. And like I said, all of the LED lights should go off, and you will be able to have it turned off. If for whatever reason you believe that your Thrustmaster T300 is malfunctioning, the best course of action is going to be to return it, either because it is not turning on or you think it's not powering off quickly enough. Then just make sure that you return it because you might have a faulty unit. And most problems with the E300 or any other Thrustmaster wheels can be solved by downloading the latest version of their firmware. So if you go over to the official support website at support.thrustmaster.com, you will be able to look for the T300 models and choose your specific one from here. You can scroll down and find the latest version of the drivers and the firmware that you have to use on these wheels. So choose the option to download these, and as you can see during the time that I'm recording this video, the latest firmware available is firmware 34. So once again, downloading these drivers, run the executable file, and once they are up to date, they shouldn't have any issues related to power, with calibration, or even working. After this is done, you can unplug them from your PC, they will turn off automatically, and once you want to use them, just plug them back into any PC or console that you have to use your Thrustmaster T300. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off Thrustmaster T300. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.